Hi guys, it's Ty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing passing for FTM transgender people. Let's go on with the video. So to help you pass with your hair, you should get a short haircut, preferably short back and sides, and the top's a bit longer. Doesn't have to be too long, can be really long. If you look at some of my past videos, my hair is quite a bit longer, although that video might be private now. If you are unable to cut your hair, a great tip, what I used to do is, if your hair is long enough to plait, do a plait going down the middle, down the back, flip the hair up, and then put a beanie on. So you'd end up having a beanie like that, and then it'd end up having a few hairs just stuck out the front pretty much, and it would look kind of like that, maybe a bit more thicker, but it would end up looking something like that, which then you can kind of make it look a bit like a fringe or something, which doesn't look too bad. Next, for your hair, you need something that's been squared off. So for me, I go to barbers, so they specialise in men's hair. So they will cut it less feminine, they will box it off. So it goes down straight, and down sideways straight, and then cross straight. If you go to a salon or somewhere that generally does female hair, they will probably cut it down to a point, like that. They will make it a point. If they do that, you can always mess the hair up. I used to always do this, just mess the hair up a bit, and it will make it look straighter, depending on how long the hair is on the side of your head. So yeah. At the back, what you want is something that goes down a bit more at the sides and comes down in the middle, not straight across. Some boys do have it straight across, but mostly they don't. Mostly it comes down at the sides and comes down in the middle. Next tip. So what I do, because I'm very conscious of it and quite dysphoric about my face shape, what I do when I'm sat normally is I put my teeth together like that, rather than just relaxing my mouth normally. I put them together because then it makes my jawline come out further. So if I put my mouth normally, I think it looks quite curved, and then if you put your mouth just with your teeth touching each other, I think it makes your face look so much more masculine. Next, we move on to voice. Now, obviously, guys have lower voices than girls, typically. So what you would want to do is make your voice lower. So girls normally speak from somewhere up here. What you want to do is you want to speak from more down here. If you feel the vibration, you can feel yourself speaking from down here. It is a conscious effort to make yourself speak from down there. And another exercise that you can do is you can hum and at the same time move your head up and down like so. You have to hum at your lowest tone all the way through, otherwise it doesn't affect your voice at all. Next is your hairline. So if you are wearing a beanie because you have long hair, like this, your hairline looks super feminine. So So what I sometimes did was just bring this bit down slightly, because guys, they typically have it's lower here and then it goes back more here, and then it comes forwards again here and then goes down straight. So for me now, my hairline is kind of feminine, massive forehead as well, so I just let my hair hang over it so that it's not visible. So next we are moving on to shoulders. For your shoulders, you can go to the gym. There is an exercise machine that goes like that. That will add muscle onto your shoulders, onto your biceps, and also if you wear bigger clothes for a start, and something that's black hides curves better. So this is bigger because it's a hoodie. The shoulders, if you see, my shoulder ends here and the line is here. So yeah, you can see my shoulder ending there, but it kind of gives the illusion that it ends a bit further down, so it makes your shoulders look slightly broader than they are. Also, another thing that helps is, I think they're called baseball tops, baseball sort of tops. I'll put one on, I'll show you. Okay, so this is a baseball top. It's not been ironed in a while because I haven't worn it in a while. And because the colour is different from here to here, it does give a slightly wider appearance to your shoulders. And yeah, you can get them in all different colours. I have blue, a blue and white one, a red and white one, and a black and white one. You can get black here, you can get loads of different colours. So next we have chest binders. These are to help give your chest a flatter appearance. And as you can see, this one does give my chest quite a bit of a flatter appearance. It doesn't really look like it's anything there other than muscle. Yeah, so that's what a chest binder will do for you. Some websites that you can get them from. This is from GC2B, and I've also heard great things about Underworks, Flaunt Streetwear, that's spelled FLAVNT, Flaunt Streetwear, and they do binders with razorbacks, and they're all safe. Underworks, they're made for men with man boobs, and they're typically tighter than GC2B, and they hurt more, I have heard, but they give a flatter appearance than GC2B. I can't say anything towards Flaunt Streetwear's binders because I have never personally tried them, and I don't really know that much information on them. I just know that they're safe and they have straps, so you could probably pass it off if you're not out yet as a sports bra. So next we have body hair. Men in general are hairier, so body hair will help. Armpit hair, leg hair helps because girls tend to shave their leg hair. Yeah, any sort of body hair will help. Next we have clothes. So typically I go dark all over because disguises any sort of curves, so your hips, your waist, your legs. I go normally dark trackies, dark jumper, or dark top, so it disguises anything that might be on show. Everything I own is from the boys section because they they're more straight up and down, so it makes you look less curvy. If you're gonna wear like top sort of thing, I recommend like a flannel top, and if you can't get hold of one of them, I recommend a top that goes like longer, probably goes down to like just here, like just beneath your hip bone, so then you can look quite straight down. I'm not, I'm gay. So the next thing is gonna be packing. So packing is putting something in your pants to give yourself a desired bulge. People, obviously, no one's gonna stare at it, but people can see it if they happen to glance, which makes you look more masculine. Obviously, I have a video on how to make packers. Link will be in the description or in the card on that side or that side. So the next thing is your feet. Shoes. So for shoes, I normally get a size bigger than what I actually am. Just make sure that they stay on your feet. Mine are normally trainers, so they're lace up. Just tie them really tight, and your feet look bigger than what they actually are. So that's about it for how to pass as a guy when you're FTM. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'm Ty Nicholas.